day 2.
Hi guys, bienvenidos. So today we are going to Palma, capital city of Mallorca. We were going to get the bus, but despite it being a really good price, it's only about €2.50 on it, I think. Yeah. €2.50. Takes an hour both ways, so that's 2 hours of the day gone. Thank you, Mr. Seagull. Oh, go again, why don't you? Third time lucky. Oh, fourth. Oh, got hiccups. Oh. So we are going to jump in a taxi. I think it's going to be about €40 each way, which is a bit expensive, but it just gives us two extra hours of the day, which when you're only here for a week means quite a lot to us. So yeah, we're going to go down there. We're going to get some breakfast here first, jump in the taxi, and let's see what we can find on today's adventure.
See you there.
So we made it into Palma now, just got dropped off, so the Hard Rock is just behind us, but it's only €25, so a bit of a bonus there. Looks like we got quoted maybe both ways eventually, but so yeah, we are just going to walk along now along the front and towards the cathedral. Guys, so this is the Plaza de la Rambla, just a nice little square here, just off the marina. So thought we'd bring you guys in it. We have stopped here before at Cotos Dos for a beverage before, but yeah, beautiful place. Alright guys, so there we have the Palma de Mallorca, and then the Cathedral de Mallorca just on the other side. And we're heading up here today. Alright guys, just leaving the cathedral now. There's the museum over there, Palma Marsh. Really recommend it. We went to a sculpture exhibition there a few years ago, and we are just heading up there now. Alright team, so this is Cara de Colón. We're just heading up here now to the next square. Would you like 2 interesting facts about Palma, my love?
Yes.
Cool, act interested. Entice those viewers. Palma is one of my favourite cities in the world.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, well done, act interested. The second interesting fact about Palma is that it has 416,000 residents. That is half the population of the whole island. Half of the people that live in Mallorca live in Palma. That's mental.
good service, great coffee, and yeah, if you're in town, you fancy a pit stop, definitely recommend. Especially if you need a little toilet break, for example, because it's a 5-star establishment with the hotel further down the road, so you know you're going to be alright in that department as well if you're struggling. So yeah, cappuccino.
Food looked good too.
Food looked good. Eggs Benedict came past, the avocado went past, the white side straight. It was entertaining. Yeah, definitely recommend.
Right guys, we went back out to the main street for cappuccino, and we are going down kind of the that's the definite bit. Hola amigos, bienvenida a la Ramblas.
So yeah, La Ramblas in Palma, similar to Las Ramblas in Barcelona, if you've been privileged enough to visit. Cars on either side, tree-lined avenue down the middle. This is a flower market street though. Every shop, every unit will be selling different flowers. So yeah, beautiful smells. A feast for the senses, love, isn't it? Just the colours and everything else. So yeah, join us for a little stroll down here now. Del Rey, Juan Charles. Beautiful. And CNA. Alright guys, leaving Juan Carlos, heading up James III. Con día español. Avinguda Jamul 3. El Cortes Ingleses. Now you understand why we came here. So, Barbosh in Palma, what are you thinking? Yeah, I've probably said some of the best tapas I've ever had. Not endorsed in any way, are we? We wish we were. Oh, thank you very much. But yeah, I'll say it's the best tapas I've probably had in many years. So we had patatas bravas, we had tostadas, meatballs, we had bread, we had tuna salad, we had those chicken croquettes. We had a large glass of Rioja, we had a lemon slush, we had a pint of Heineken, and it was 37 euros. And with the tip, we chucked 5 because, you know, it's the right thing to do. The service was amazing, toilets were clean inside, really nice, really nice. If you're coming down, thoroughly recommend. But yeah, there's loads of places to eat down here, but for us, yep, that just worked today, really good. shattered and crashed last night. But yeah, beautiful city. You could do it in a day, like we haven't taken, like the main bits, but we'd love to do a weekend there. You know, have have an actual proper break and take in a lot more and off the beaten track and stuff. But hopefully this inspires you a little bit just to see what's out there and make you have an adventure there of your own. Don't forget to give this a like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow.